So we're at gate B8 and this is Taipei International Airport. We're on our way from Taipei City to Singapore, and guess who's here with me, right next to me? Jie Yi, yay! We're gonna run through what she did for Asia Ling Sketchbook. Okay, so enjoy her sketches. Yeah. Wow, what?
When I first came, I was waiting for the flight.
Nice.
It's quite early in the morning, 4:58.
And this?
This?
This stamp?
Ah,
Where do you...
I just got it at the departure hall just now.
Wow.
So these two were from the plane.
Yep.
That was the sketch of the views. Then this was the mountains that were picking up from the clouds.
Brilliant, you had a window seat.
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah, so it was very beautiful.
Awesome.
And this was on waiting for the HSR, like to Taichung. Yeah, it was pretty empty. And this was the view that we got from the Taichung HSR station. It's very pretty. You can see the expressways, the buildings, and the mountains at the back.
Okay. Oh, yes.
Okay. So this was in front of the Taichung station, the view, old buildings, all the neon lights. It's quite dark when we started sketching, so it looked like that. Then this was the Sun Cake Museum, one of the sketchwalks.
And also Vanon's workshop. So if you're interested in the workshop, you can click on this link over here and then you can see it. Yeah, cool.
This was I can't remember the name of the temple.
Wen Chun Gong Temple.
Yes.
What is this?
Oh,
The tape.
I haven't toyed out yet. No, it's
So
not.
clever.
It's not the
Oh,
design.
Yeah. It's so that it remains in that square. How clever. Yeah, okay. But what?
This was at night, so there were reflections, the city lights. Yeah. Where was this? Oh, this was just in front of the Sun Cake Museum. There's some streets.
I recognize this tower. That main tower. Don't know what it is, but it's right there in front of
You
the
just
train
keep
station.
seeing it everywhere.
That's right. Okay, cool.
Oh, this was a restaurant in front of our hostel. I just found the seashell shapes very interesting. It was metal, so seashell metal.
Is this a workshop or?
Yeah, Wen Lam's workshop. This one was just a sketch for the painting that I submitted. Yeah, so I don't have the painting, I have the sketch. It's for who's Zhang Bozhong's workshop.
Was it about people?
It was for drawing with fountain pen.
Oh, nice.
This was just one of the things that he taught us to
Drawing
draw.
people.
Yeah.
Oh, cute.
This was
Yay, nice.
sketches of some people.
Yeah, Fabian.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, the stripes, right? Wei Ling and my sister. So this one was in Taipei. I was on the way to somewhere else, but on the way I came across this fruit market, local fruits, farmers market. Yeah, I sketched it because of the two big fruits out there. Yeah. Then this one was at Huashan Creative Park. It's an open space for people to sit down. Yeah, lots of trees. Then this was at 大稻埕老街.
Oh, okay, yes.
It's very interesting. Got a lot of old buildings. Yeah. Last one was at Songshan Creative Park. I just like the shape of the warehouses. This side was also part of the warehouse.
If you guys want to check out Songshan, I was in a book fair last year. Click on this link and then you'll be able to see what's inside one of these warehouses or former cigarette factory.
This was just some chop that I got after I came out from this place. Yeah. And then the Taipei main station, which I finally found the chop. It's such a long time.
Thank you for sharing. Are you going to sketch some more on the plane, maybe?
I need me sleep.
Okay. Okay, thank you. So guys, it's time to fly. So what was the most enjoyable part of this sketch walk?
The food was going out with some friends to like different night markets and drinking lots of bubble tea.
Yes, so bubble tea and night markets. Awesome. So see, it doesn't really matter who you are, what you do. She's in sales, but she sketches and she's having a lot of fun with it. Hopefully that's encouragement for those of you who are sitting on the fence wondering if you should pick up this hobby. Definitely. Okay, time to fly, really, like now.